Hey, cows, wait up! Alright, so this is a super muddy hike, so definitely gonna have to switch out the shoes here with these babies. Each visitor 16 years of older must possess a okay. Do you have that?
I definitely don't have that.
Yeah, we don't have that. Don't tell anyone. So I believe if you look up directions on Google here, it takes you to some dude's house.
Don't do that.
Definitely want to try to get directions from someone who's been here.
I guess probably the best thing that you can do is search up Cherokee Road.
Yeah,
just, like
Cherokee
drive
Road.
till like it sends you to where Cherokee Road is, and then just follow Cherokee Road until you see a parking lot.
Yeah, you just stay on that, and then yeah, there's like a gravel parking lot to the right. So yeah, just a heads up. Hey, cows, wait up! Let's try to sneak up on them over here. Are cows dangerous? What's up, bro? Oh. We got him on the run! Alright, ladies and gents, there she is. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this one.
Yep.
Definitely check this place out. It's super awesome. Look at these views.
So sick.
Sun's coming down. Got some cattle. Alright, see you next time.